Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, hi you guys. I am so sorry that I've been absent for so long. It's just that I've been super sick, so I could do nothing. Like literally, I was laying on the couch for basically the whole day, and then I was going to bed, and next day I was going like directly to the couch because I could do nothing. I was so freaking sick. Anyways, now I am back on track, and so this is the look we are doing today, and I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and let's just get started. So I am starting off by doing my brows, and as usual I'm taking the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Looks like that anyways. And as my eyeshadow base, I'm taking the Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite Makeup. And I'm just gonna pat this in using my finger. And for eyeshadow, I'm taking the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And I will be using the color Cleopatra, just this blue one, super pretty. And I will be putting this like on my entire lid. Like so, super edgy. Next I'm just taking a clean blending brush, and this is from Real Techniques. I have no idea what it is, and I'm starting to blend out the edges. I am going in with the 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow from Jelly Pong. And I'm putting this on my upper waterline and like a bit on my lash line, I guess. And I am now blending this line a bit. I will be applying mascara to my upper lashes, and I am using the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame, I think. Next I will be going in with foundation, and today I'm using a brand new foundation because if you're gonna try something, do it on camera. Anyways, this is the Stick Foundation in Porcelain from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have no idea if this is like even the right color, so but we'll try. I don't even know how much to use, so I'm improvising. And I haven't used a brush to blend my foundation in like 100 years. So, but I'm gonna try with like a flat top. I don't know. This was like such a bad idea. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with a beauty blender and I'll be right back. So I got my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge or whatever it's called. Let me just try this again. Yeah, no. That made my nose look terrible because it is so freaking dry. No. You know what? I'm just gonna remove this foundation and try a different one because right now everything is looking terrible because it's so dry. So I will be right back. Hello, I am back. Let's try another foundation. This is the High Coverage Foundation Formula from The Ordinary. Oh, this one. And this is in the color Fair Neutral. So I think it's the right color. Well, that is so much better. And for concealer, I'm going back in with that Milessis Active Eyelight from Emite Makeup. And for powder, I am, as usual, going in with the Sheer Finish Loose Powder from Lumene. And now I'm going back in to finish my eyes. So I'm going back in with the 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow from Jelly Pong Pong, and I'm putting this in my lower waterline. And back in with the Nubian 2 palette and the color Cleopatra. And I am putting this under my lower lash line. Now I am taking this color, oh my lord. Now I'm taking this color Surrey, and I will be putting this on my inner corner, I think, and I think below my eyebrow. Now I'll be doing the rest of my face, so I am taking the Infinity palette by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. For contouring or bronzing, I will be using the colors Maffei and Cigar. And for blush, I am using the color Andromeda, which is this. And for highlight, I am taking the color Virgio or Virgio. And for lips, I think I'm gonna take this one, which is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. and this is in the color Disorder. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on some lashes and do my lower lashes with the same mascara as earlier, and I will be right back. So this is it, you guys, and these are the Dauntless lashes, and I think they're from LA Splash. Yes, LA Splash Dauntless lashes. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to leave a comment saying what you thought, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see what else I will be doing. Anyways, I will see you next time. Bye!